In today's video, I will be cooking Yock. Hello, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. Ingredients I will be using will be boneless, skinless chicken breast. I cut it up in bite-sized pieces, and this is the seasoning that I put on it. I baked it in 375 for 20 minutes. Okay. I also did the same thing with the shrimp, seasoning wise, but I baked them 350 for 15 minutes. Okay, you don't have to bake your shrimp. You can saute them or steam them. Okay, I'm also using an onion, some soy sauce, the light version, some ketchup, some apple cider vinegar, and these will be the noodles I'm using. If you can't find these noodles, you can also use some fettuccine or spaghetti noodles. Okay, while the water is boiling for the noodles, I'm going to go ahead and chop my onion. Okay, the water has come to a boil. We're going to place our noodles, and I'm going to cook them according to the instructions on the back of the box. I forgot to mention, I didn't rinse my noodles. Okay, now it's time to put it together. Now, I'm not going to give you measurements on the ketchup nor the soy sauce. It's because it's up to you. This stuff can get salty real quick, so it's up to you. Now, for the vinegar, I only used 2 capfuls, and that was all. Okay, now we're going to mix it together. And then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients, which would be the shrimp and the onions, or the chicken if you're using the chicken. Okay, this is our finished dish. I appreciate you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you don't mind. Thank you.